Well, over the past several years, the folks at the Higgins Firm have resolved several cases where nursing home residents sadly have passed away as a result of dehydration and malnutrition. Attorney Ben Miller recently stopped by to talk about the types of cases they've seen, how to prevent it, and what to do if you suspect nursing home abuse. All right, Ben, thanks so much for joining us. Great to have you.
Absolutely, thanks.
All right, the statistics really are disturbing, and the fact that it even happens is disturbing. So talk about these cases and how often your office sees them.
Yeah, unfortunately we see them quite a bit. When people think about the potential for nursing home abuse and neglect, they often think of the more obvious forms of that, such as actual physical harm.
Right.
But a just as common form is the dehydration and malnutrition. For example, between 1999 and 2002, approximately 14,000 nursing home residents died as a result of these conditions. Another study estimated that up to 30% of all U.S. nursing home residents were suffering from one of these conditions. So some researchers have, I think appropriately, termed it a silent epidemic.
Absolutely. So why do you think that it is so common?
Well, both dehydration and malnutrition are particularly problematic for vulnerable individuals. So you have the elderly, the disabled, people who have memory impairments, and often these people are unable to recognize their own needs, or they're unable to take care of their own needs and then voice those needs to others.
Right.
So it's incumbent on the nursing homes to be monitoring these and making sure that the people's needs are being taken care of. And sadly, it just doesn't happen. And often it's for such simple reasons as not giving the person enough to drink, not making sure that the person is receiving the appropriate portions of food or the right balanced diet. And so it's obvious things that should be able to be avoided.
Definitely. So if somebody watching has a loved one in a nursing home and they're maybe suspicious of something happening in the nursing home, what should they do? Should they contact your office?
Well, because both of these conditions can become very serious very quickly, before even thinking about contacting us, the person should be evaluated to see if they have an immediate medical need. Some of the more serious things to watch out for would be vomiting, difficulty breathing, seizures, unresponsiveness. However, if the person seems like they don't need immediate medical attention, some other signs that you might want to contact us about: for dehydration, you'd be looking for things like thirst, loss of appetite, dry mouth, dry skin, dark colored urine. For malnutrition, things would be weight loss, loss of muscle mass. You'd want to look for things like confusion, decline in mental ability. Those are the types of things that they might put you on notice that there's something going on.
Okay, a lot of important information. Ben, thank you so much.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 1-800-705-2121 or go to thehigginsfirm.com.